The Peddinghaus BDL 1250/9HD, combined with the Meba 1270 DGP, is an advanced drilling and sawing system designed for heavy-duty steel construction. Built for efficiency, this machine delivers precision and reliability for high-throughput steel processing. At the core is the Peddinghaus BDL 1250/9D profile drilling machine. With 3 drilling axes and 9 spindles, it processes profiles ranging from 75 by 50 millimeters to 1250 by 600 millimeters and profile lengths up to 19 meters. Paired with the Meba 1270 DGP Mitre Band Saw, the system handles miter cuts at angles up to 60 degrees, offering flexibility for various profile types, including I-beams, square tubes, and angle steel. This powerful combination enhances productivity across a wide range of materials. The Peddinghaus BDL 1250/9D is driven by the highly reliable Siemens 840D CNC-control system. This ensures precise operations for drilling, marking, and sawing. The integrated roller measuring system and material clamping reduce vibrations, extending tool life and improving the overall accuracy of each cut. With a drilling motor power of 18.5 kilowatts and spindle speeds reaching 1,800 revolutions per minute, the system can handle drilling diameters from 8 to 50 millimeters, supporting both high-speed steel and carbide tools. It's a robust solution for any heavy-duty drilling and sawing needs. The Meba 1270 DGP Mitre Band Saw adds even more versatility. With its portal frame design, the saw delivers clean, precise cuts for both round and rectangular materials. The system minimizes contamination and reduces waste, while the powerful 14.5 kilowatt motor provides cutting speeds from 15 to 150 meters per minute. The entire system is optimized for efficiency. A strong material transport system, including Peddinghaus's roller measuring and cross tractors, ensures smooth in-feed and out-feed of profiles. Capable of handling up to 19 tons of material, this system is designed to meet the demands of modern steel processing. In short, the Peddinghaus BDL 1250/9D, combined with the Meba 1270 DGP, is a powerful solution for steel companies looking to enhance their throughput and precision. With long-lasting durability and strong support from both Peddinghaus and Meba, this system is built to deliver results. Do you have any questions? We're happy to assist you by phone or email. Request a free quote today and let's get started.